Welcome to the Mobile Java Push Quick Start tutorial. We want to show you in a few seconds how easy it is to implement a J2ME application that makes your mobile application push enabled. Let's start. We use for our demo application an empty J2ME project in Eclipse. First of all, we need to include the mobile push API as an external jar file into the Java build path and export this as well. After that, we let our application extend the push mid-let. Since the push web server needs to know to which application he should push the content, we introduce an application name as identifier. And also we include a form here to log our activities in this application. Let's proceed with the further required elements of our push application, starting with the constructor. In the constructor, we give a call to the super constructor and we set the form to the display. The only thing that is now left for implementation is to tell the application what it should do when it started up and what to do with pushed content. For example, when a user manually starts the application, the function notify manually started is executed and we'll log this event to our form. On the other hand, if an application receives a push trigger, it will start up automatically and we can define a different behavior for the application in the function notify automatically started. After it started automatically, the push method will begin to download the pushed content and executes thereby the notify download started. At this moment, we get already more information on the pushed content by the session and the service object. So, and when the content files are finally downloaded and stored on the phone, notify download finished is executed and we can do something with the content files. In our sample case, we'll only loop through all the files that we received in a session and print out their name and file type. And that's it. Anyhow, here it will be finally up to your creativity to implement what the app should do with the content. So, what's now left to be done is that you build and optionally sign your application, of course that you deploy it and install it on your phone, and you need to start it at least once manually so that the client can subscribe at the push web server. And yeah, of course you need to initiate the push. Let's take a look how this is done. To initiate the push, you simply go to developer.labs.ericsson.net and go to the mobile Java push enabler. And there you go to the web push interface. Here you find your application tab and the services that are registered for your application. Then you click on push new session. Add the URL to the content that you want to have pushed. You send it. Yeah, and that's it.